So we know isosceles triangles have two equal sides. They also have two equal angles. And the thing that you need to figure out is if they give you the sides, what angles are equal, and if they give you the angles, what sides are equal, okay? I like a triangle, an isosceles, to be straight up. So if I give you this on paper, you can make it so the two equal sides are straight up. Then that means the two angles that are equal are on the floor. So this would be equal to this, okay? Automatically. So if they tell me that this angle here is 40, I can figure out the measurements of those other two because they have to add up to 180, which means 180 minus 40 is 140. And I have to split them evenly because they're equal to each other. So I would know that these two angles are 70, okay? So in this assignment, they might also ask you for what is the other angle that's missing. So maybe they're asking you this angle right here, and they're telling you that this angle here is 50, okay? Well, we know that since these are the two equal sides, if you turn that upside down, these would be the two equal angles, right? And so this guy has to be 80. So they might ask you for the other guy, because what's 50 plus 50 is 100. 180 minus 100 is 80. So the other guy has to be what's left over, okay? So you have to really pay attention, because they're not always going to give you a picture. They're going to give you just letters. So we're going to do one of those in a minute. All right, so here I know that this is equal to this. And let's say this is equal to 15, and this is equal to 8, then what is this guy equal over here to? So this one here would be 8. If that's left side 17, this left side 17, so XY is 17. Very good. The first thing you're going to do is, this is all about isosceles triangles, so I like to draw like a tall isosceles triangle, right?
Yeah.
And I know that CD is equal to BC. What letter do these guys have in common?
They both have C.
They both have C's. I would put him at the top of the mountain and put D down here and B down here. That means DC and BC are equal, right? And it says that angle B is 75 degrees. And they want angle D. So angle D would also be 75 degrees because it's the ones on the floor. And those are equal if those sides are equal.